So you've decided to change your toilet supply line. Maybe it's one of the old, more rigid tubes and it's got a crack in it. Maybe it's a solid copper one, really going back a little ways, but maybe you're having some sort of leak issue with it. Maybe it's one of these, but it's got a cracked nut, or for some other reason it's leaking in a place it just can't be fixed or tightened up. To replace them is actually very, very simple. We start by turning off the supply water, make sure that's off. Then we just loosen this. It might be a little more than hand tight, but shouldn't be too much more. You might need a pair of channel locks at the most to let go of the top. You're going to lose some water that's in the line here, and that's okay. The new valve, or the new, as you release this, there's going to be more water that comes out as well. So having a towel around, being prepared for that would be a good idea. Now I've got 2 adjustable wrenches. I'm going to use one on the valve and one on the supply line. We want to hold the supply line still while loosening the valve, or while loosening the supply line. We want to hold the valve still while loosening the supply line. I can talk. And by getting that spun free, we're going to get some water, like I said, that's going to come out of there at your house. But otherwise, it's that simple. You want to take a quick look at the threads, make sure everything's okay there. Grab the new toilet supply. I usually screw it on the valve first. And then to tighten it, I'm not going to get it super tight, but I am going to go back to the same 2 adjustable wrenches so that I make sure to hold the valve still while tightening the line. That's good. Connect the new line to your fill valve on the bottom of the toilet. Remember, you don't need it much more than hand tight. Turn on the water. Flush so that you're sure you've got water moving through it. Double check for leaks. If you need to tighten it a little bit here or there, that's okay. And once you're leak free, you're good to go. And that's all there is to changing your toilet supply line.